So Mkhwanazi must be summoned to this committee.
Udidekile uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ukuthi ashone ngaphi njengoba sengathi khona umzuliswano nomdonsiswano okhona njengamanje kubangwa yena. Angiqale ngobingelele ngomngelele channel eMaswidi Production okubingelelayo unxolisa ivana kadluma phansi le enkandla. Mangabe uyaqala ukufika enze isiqiniseko sokuthi ucofa subscribe onqoqo kwale video, shaya like bese uyakhomenta kulolu daba namhlanje. Inkiyankiya phakathi kweMadlanga Commission of Inquiry eyaqoka umengameli wakuleli umnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa kanye nekomiti elakhethwa yiphalamende ukuba bonke labantu baphenye ngezinsolo ezabekwa umnumzane noma kuGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Njengamanje iCommission of Inquiry sivumelene noMkhwanazi ukuthi-ke bazoqala ukuthi-ke basebenze ngazo-ke iy'nsolo akayibeka mhla ka-17 kuyo le nyanga kaSeptemba, naye futhi balindele ukuthi-ke abe kanye nabo kusukela kulezo yi-17 kuze kuyoshaya kwi-24 zikaSeptemba ephambi kwabo ephendula yonke imibuzo abambuza yona njengofakazi oqavile kulezi nsolo ayekade-ke ey'bekile. Ngaso-ke leso sikhathi-ke sekuqhamuka-ke leli committee elakhojwa iphalamende ukuba-ke nalo liphenye nalo-ke futhi-ke selaveza ukuthi-ke limfuna manje uMkhwanazi, naye-ke manje akasazi ukuthi-ke ahlukanise phakathi abheke ngaphi njengoba-ke wayekade evezile ngomhla ka-4 ukuthi-ke yena useqokiwe noma usebizwe ikhomishini kaMadlanga ukuba vele kusukela mhla ka-17 kuyoshaya umhla ka-24 kuSeptemba ngaphambi kokuba-ke kube-ke ne-meeting yalo-ke ikomiti lephalamende neyathi kuma ngabe sebakhona-ke i-meeting yaleli committee sithola ukuthi-ke uMkhwanazi akazokwazi ukuthi abe nabo ngalesikhathi abamfuna ngaso. Yilapho khona-ke umnumzane Julius Malema seveza-ke ukuthukuthela okukhulu esesho ukuthi-ke abazukuzwa ngoMkhwanazi ukuthi-ke kumele basebenze kanjani. So njengamanje-ke uMkhwanazi naye udidekile ukuthi-ke manje ashone ngapha noma ashone ngapha ngoba bonke labantu bathi-ke bamfuna phambi kwabo.
I think we must make one point very clear, that we're not going to be told by Mkhwanazi what must happen, what must not happen. If we are looking for him, we have to find him. And if he's not going to make himself available, we are going to have to summon him. He's the one who started this mess, and he's going to have to take responsibility. He's not going to tell us about commission this, commission that, and all of that. We don't know what commission is doing. We are not interfering with the commission, and the commission must never interfere with us. So Mkhwanazi must be summoned to this committee. This ad hoc committee, it's established because Mkhwanazi took his own time to say the things he said, and is not going to tell us now that he's not available. The same way he was available to appear on TV with guns and everything else, that is the same way he's going to avail himself to this committee. He needs to be called, and the sooner we call him, the better. And if he's not responsive, you must summon him.
And with regard to the response that we got from General Mkhwanazi, is that he requested the committee to allow him to continue with other engagements that he is already in with the commission until the 24th of September. That is the period that he may be available to come and appear before the committee anytime from the 25th of September, because after we received his request, we also made a follow-up to understand what does the 24th of September mean. Does it mean that that is the date in which he will be available to appear before the committee, or does it mean he will only be available after that date? So as it stands now, all those witnesses that have been invited, 5 of them have responded. They are ready to do consultations with the senior counsel. And then once consultations have concluded, they should be able to appear before the committee. And then we have also, in the light of these developments, have aimed that the committee will start hearings either on the 16th of September or the 22nd of September, whichever was possible. And we felt that we must come and present before this ad hoc committee for the members to appreciate the report. If we start on the 16th of September, we are going to have 5 weeks to do the work of the committee. And if we start on the 22nd of September, which is the week commencing the constituency period for members, it means members of this committee will not have to go on constituency period, will have to remain here for those 2 weeks and do the work. And the plan of the committee is that, or the plan that we suggest here is that by the 15th of October, and I will explain what I mean when I say by the 15th of October. By the 15th of October, the technical team must start preparing the report, which should be ready for the National Assembly on the 31st of October.